Hey there, Dreamwalkers! Today, we will explore a little more about our fourth S, sBreathe. I know. sBreathe isn't a word, and breathe starts with B and not S. But we thought it was kind of funny, so we kept it. Because why not? sBreathe is our fourth S because it is the fourth thing we need to do as we prepare for our mindful minute. First, we are silent. Then we find our own space. Then we become still and just sBreathe. Once you are in your meditation spot and you're waiting for the mindful minute to begin, just breathe. Take deep, slow, full breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Imagine the way you breathe after running around. Your breathing feels heavy and fast. Now, imagine how you breathe when you're asleep. Your breathing is slow, full, and easy. That's the breath we are looking for. This breathing prepares your whole self for meditation, your body, mind, and spirit. Deep breathing is key to beginning a restful and relaxing meditation. Let's try a couple of breaths together. Follow along with me now. Take one hand and put it on your belly. Relax your shoulders and soften your belly muscles. Take a few slow, full, sleepy breaths here. Notice if your chest or your belly is rising and falling with every breath. Now, let's try breathing in through our nose and out through our mouth. Try to breathe all the way down to your belly so that your hand rises and falls with every breath. This nose, mouth, belly breathing is perfect for when it's time to sBreathe. Start this type of deep breathing before the mindful minute even begins. Now, to be honest, there are some S words that relate to breathing, like the word suspire, which is just a fancy schmancy way of saying breathing. There's also the word sigh. Sighing breaths are also a good way to start your meditation. Some of you might have noticed that all of our Dreamwalkers meditations ask us to sigh a couple of times to start. When we sigh, our bodies naturally release tension. That's why we sigh naturally when we're stressed, tired, or annoyed. It's calming. In today's practice meditation, we will notice and feel the importance of the speed of our breathing. You will notice how deep and slow breaths help calm and relax your whole self. If you have a moment after your mindful minute, have a quick chat as a class about what you notice about your breath in your day-to-day life or what you notice about your breath in this meditation. Well, that's it for our fourth S, sBreathe. Stay magical, everyone, and go out and find the magic in your day.